Hey creators, welcome back to Creator Fact. In today's video, I'll show you how to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money online through YouTube. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process and explaining the YouTube Partner Program requirements, including how to add your AdSense account to your YouTube channel and enabling ads on YouTube after getting monetization. If you want to know how to properly monetize your YouTube channel, then this video is the perfect destination for you. So let's get started.
My computer screen. So as I mentioned in the first part of my video, I have completed my YouTube monetization criteria for monetizing and joining on YouTube Partner Program. So now I am going to show you how you can apply for YouTube monetization program after reaching and completing your monetization criteria on YouTube. So that you have to go to your YouTube channel and you have to log into your YouTube dashboard, as you can say that YouTube Studio, and after that you can come to the earn section. After coming to your earn section, you can see here apply to the YouTube Partner Program. As a partner, you can earn money, get creator support and more, etc. etc. Many ways to earn. Here you can find watch page ads, shorts feeds ads, and membership, super chats, shopping, affiliates, etc. is based on your region or country. So as you can see here, how to join. Reach requirements to apply, showing data as of January 18, 2025. And today is the date of 23rd of January 2024, and my public watch time hours have been completed by 4,177 in 4,000 public watch hours, and completed two-step verification also. This is the requirement to joining on YouTube Partner Program, and follow community guideline is also a very important things to get monetized on YouTube. Ineligible if you have active strike. Once you have any strike on your channel, then you can see and check here. If you have any strike on your channel, then you can't monetize your YouTube channel. So as you can see, we have completed all the requirement and past channel reviews. After you submit your application, we will check if your channel follows YouTube's monetization policies. So after following community guidelines, also after application, YouTube also review your channel for YouTube's channel monetization policies for passing and getting the monetization partner program. So let's see how we can apply for the program. Okay, so we are going to apply for YouTube partner program just right now. So click on apply now. After clicking on apply now button, you can see 3 steps here. Number 1, review base terms. Read these terms carefully as these apply to your participation in YouTube Partner Program. And you have to make start from here. Then you have to sign up for AdSense account or your Google AdSense for YouTube. Okay, and then you are in the progress system, that is get reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies and your content is advertiser friendly content, and YouTube will send you an email by email a decision usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. So after completing the first 2 steps, this step will automatically complete if your channel and Google AdSense account is all is well. Okay, so we are starting our progress from here. Now we have to choose from start button. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, as I am a Muslim. Thank you for watching this video. We are going to start a new journey of YouTube content creation, and this is my YouTube channel where I upload my nasheed or my music, you can also say that. So this is the start button. So we clicked on the start button. Understand the terms. You can read the terms of policies for the YouTube Partner Program from here, or you can also record this one or read this one from A to Z for learning about this kind of terms and conditions. Okay, so we are check mark of this box. I accept the base terms from here, and then click on the accept terms button from below. Okay, after accept terms button, you can see here step 1 has been done completely. You are on your way to becoming a YouTube partner. You have accepted the YouTube partner program terms. So here is the main important part of your application of the YouTube partner program. So be careful to using this kind of things on your side by making any kind of disappointing mistakes. Okay, so here you can read carefully. Create a new AdSense account for YouTube account or connect an existing account to your channel. You need an AdSense for YouTube account to monetize and get paid. That means you need a AdSense account, and that is Google AdSense account. Okay, you need a Google AdSense account to monetize your channel. If you have already an existing approved account, then you can connect from here directly, or you can also create a new AdSense account if you don't have ever. Okay, just listen one thing. You don't have to create multiple AdSense account, because one people means one AdSense account. A one kind of human being didn't create any kind of multiple AdSense account on online platform. Okay, so you have to have just one AdSense account. Okay, if you have already existing account, then you can create you did not create any kind of account, and if you don't have any kind of AdSense account, then you can create a new account. So let's see the procedure. So we are starting from here. So step 2, you will be redirected to AdSense for YouTube. To complete this step, do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account? So from here we have to select. If you have any existing account, then you have to select yes, I have an existing AdSense account for YouTube or AdSense account. If you don't have any kind of AdSense account earlier, then you have to choose no, I don't have an existing account. So as I have the existing account, so for that reason I am selecting yes, I have an existing AdSense account. So if you don't have any existing AdSense account, you don't need to worry about it. Just select this one and go to create your Google AdSense account. Just fill up as a account creating. You have to put your email address, your valid email, phone number and address, etc, etc. All you have to select over there of legal information of your personal and any kind of communication information. You have to select the legal information. Okay, then you can create an AdSense account easily. So as we have existing AdSense account, so I am selecting here yes, I have an existing AdSense account. After selecting this, we are going to continue, and all other things are same for applying any YouTube partner program. So here we have email account, so we have to select our existing AdSense account email from here to monetize our Google AdSense account to YouTube channel account linkly. Okay, from here we are selecting the email, which email is integrated for Google AdSense account, our existing account. Okay, you have to select this email, which account is you have created for Google AdSense. Okay, that email you have to choose from here. So we are select the email, which email is integrated to our Google AdSense account. So after selecting that, you are already came here for the continuous progress. So you are already linked to an existing Google AdSense Google products associated. So after that, you can see over here your publisher ID, country, zone and account type, your name and address, etc, etc, and payment currency. So after here coming here, you don't need to do anything. You can also read from here publisher AdSense and AdSense for YouTube terms and condition. So we don't need to do from anything to from here. So we are going to continue section. So after going to continuous section, you can set up from here. Okay, so your channel, let's get you started. Setup account YouTube. We are redirecting you to YouTube, where you can continue your setup and start using AdSense for YouTube. So after that, you don't need to do anything from here. After doing that, you can see from here on step 2. Step 2, you have successfully step 2, sign up for AdSense for YouTube. You have successfully linked an AdSense for YouTube account. Okay, after that, you can see over here step number 3 in progress, get reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. We will email you a decision usually within a month. So it's take usually frequently on a day, sometimes 48 hours or 72 hours, sometimes 1 week, sometimes 10 days, or sometimes 1 month. It's different for everyone. Okay, so you can wait and see what happened here for your YouTube content creation. So after some times, I get this email, welcome to the YouTube Partner Program, Saifur Rahman Azim. So it was my email that has been integrated with my AdSense account. So after getting this, I visited to my YouTube studio and congrats, your YouTube Partner Program message was shown for me. Now you can earn money, get creator support and more. So let's go. So for going to watch page ads and shorts feed ads enabling, you have to go to your earn section. Here you can see watch page ads and shorts feed ads enabling section for the get started button. So I am going to start watch page ads enabling using get started button, then turn on. You have to put on the button turn on, and then you have to read these terms. I accept the watch page ad terms. YouTube will automatically select and place ads for each video. Just check my place ads during mid-roll videos, and then which videos do you want to monetize. All of my existing videos, just check on that, just next button. Now you are done with your watch page ads monetization enabling. Now get started with shorts feeds ads. On the shorts feeds ads, just turn on and accept the terms and condition of the shorts feeds ads, then accept. Okay, after accepting, you are now enabled the 2 section of YouTube monetization program, and now you can see your estimated revenue section on your YouTube channel, which is crazy to earn money on YouTube just from right now.
So hopefully you have understood how to apply for the YouTube Partner Program and monetize your YouTube channel successfully. If you found this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to get more videos about YouTube tips and content creation guidelines. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.